Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2016 Mazda CX-3. This thing is in excellent condition. I do believe we do have the original sticker. How did I find it? Oh, Carfax had it. But Grand Touring trim, absolutely loaded. Bose sound, partial leather, suede on the door cards, which is hugely cool. Sunroof, backup camera. Without further ado, let's go for a drive. So in recent years, Mazda has discontinued the CX-3, now replaced by the CX-30. This is still pretty cool. I like them. You know, and they're perfect, either daily driver or first car or anything like that. It's like, lady, they can't make the turn if you were right there. Transmission's actually really good for what it is. I believe it's a 6-speed auto. Again, I'm driving 12 cars today. I can't memorize facts and figures on every single one. Put it into sport mode. There's a little switch down by the shifter. Essentially, it's going to hold gears, delay shifting. Well, not delay shift. That was a bad choice of words. But rev a little bit higher before shifting. I mean, not bad. Obviously, it's not going to blow the doors off of, you know, M3s and stuff. But it's not bad for what it is. cruising at highway speed, not bad. Good amount of torque. Honestly, mid-range torque is more important than all-out horsepower. And for an NA motor, this is not bad at all. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.